The Mandela effect. We're going to be going over several things that will sound weird to you about the Mandela effect. And I've been meaning to get on here ever since I came out with my video, HEK293. And I will be joining others in a video that this is called Mandela effect. So, what is the Mandela effect? Now, I already have a video on Facebook. You can follow me on Facebook. It's there. I've already explained what the Mandela effect was. It's named after Nelson Mandela. But you see the difference? This is what Fruit Loops used to look like, and this is what Fruit Loops looks like now. This is how Looney Tunes was spelled. This is how it's spelled now. Ford used to be like this, but now it's like this. So it started out with little things. Oscar Mayer, not Oscar Mayer. I mean, it started out with little, used to be Jiffy peanut butter, now it's just Jif peanut butter. No, it used to be Jiffy. Even the human brain has changed, the human anatomy. Everything has changed. Can you remember any of this as it changed? See? Jiffy, not Jif. Jiffy. So what purpose does this Mandela effect have for us? JCPenney, and I'm sure that JCPenney, the reason why it's spelled like this is because they're giving us a warning that JCPenney is going to be one of the next companies to go bankrupt, like Sears and Payless has. How about Volkswagen? Do you remember it this way, or do you remember it this way? Start trying to jot your memories and see which ones you remember. This is a picture of Nelson Mandela. And I saw a new heaven and a new earth. Those that have seen this, did we get left behind? And that's the reason why we're seeing this? And others are like, Mandela effect, what are you talking about? The kidneys have changed. They used to be here, now they're here. Same way with the heart. It used to be on the left hand side, now it's in the middle. Look, the heart in the middle. Can you believe it? Hitler used to have brown eyes. Now he has blue eyes. What all do you can remember? What all can you remember? Even countries have changed. The shape of them, their location, everything. Here's one for Chevron. I mean, what can you remember? Can you remember that South America used to be over here? Over here, not over here. Like it's over here now. South America is. Used to be over here. Mexico was shaped more over here, and South America was more over here. That's to go that the Statue of Liberty was never located in New York. It's located in New Jersey. And also the 9/11 wasn't the only wasn't the only um, terrorist attack that happened in the USA. Well, there was only two known ones, and that was 9/11 and Pearl Harbor. But now we have a third one. Look at all these Mandela effects. And then, you know, the strangest thing. Hold on. The strangest thing to me is that some people don't even know that this is going on. I mean, are we like the chosen ones? Are we the only ones that know? I know I'm not the only one that sees this. And I have been seeing this for quite some time. Like that scripture, the lion and the lamb, it's changed from the lion and the lamb. I'm not religious and I'm not bringing religion into this, but the lion and the lamb, and now it's the wolf and the lamb. Surely people can see this. Even in the Milky Way galaxy, our location, the Earth's location, is the opposite. It's not even in the same location anymore. I mean, I don't know if y'all are aware of all of this. But look at this right here. That's where the human heart is located. And it's mirror, mirror on the wall. Now it's magic mirror. And look at this map. Look where South America's located. And we all know what South America's. And look at Canada, for crying out loud. Look at all this. And this is New Zealand. Did anybody know that New Zealand was this big? How about Australia? Australia used to be small. Now it's huge. Huge. Africa is just disappearing. It's going to be gone. It's going to be part of Asia soon. It's gone. Just about. Can you remember anything? Can you jot your memories? I mean, they went and changed everything. Everything. From what you knew it. My question is that are we in the new heaven and the new earth? Did we get left behind? Are we the only ones that can see this? And it says broad is the way, broad is the pathway to destruction, and narrow is the way to heaven. So the narrow part is the only few people that can actually see through this fake stuff. Then, and another thing is like we're trying to prevent. Do you ever remember the Tin Man having a hammer? You ever remember the Scarecrow having a gun? I don't remember any of this. Tell me what you can remember. Do you remember Interview with a Vampire or Interview with the Vampire? See? Here's where South America used to be. This map did not change. See? This is where it used to be. Now it's way over here. Didn't I just show you that? Now it's way over here. And New Zealand is not even on this map. Or it is, but it's not big, huge like on the other one. And look at Canada. It's not all scattered out everywhere. Can anybody explain this? The Kennedy assassination. How many people do you remember in the car, driving the car? I mean, why are they messing with our memories? And more importantly, you know, you dethroned Pluto as a planet, and Pluto had a great responsibility. His responsibility was over death. So you're saying the death will no longer happen and people will come back to life. So, and Saturn is one of those planets that controls Pluto in a way. He is the master over time and space, but yet he's the one that told us that all of this was going on. Someone is messing with time. I don't know if it's CERN. I don't know if it's Nibiru. I don't know if it's chemtrails. This person supposedly died at this age, and look, she's right here. I mean, come on, people, wake up. Jiffy, not Jiff. They're really messing with our mind. There used to be a little slash right here. Now it's just one word. See? This is the way that Ford used to be. Right here. Now it's with this little curl in here. Why is it like that? And I know I can't go over everything on this first video, so that's why I'm going to make a second video. What can you remember? What can you jot down in your memory of what's really happened? And on the second part, I'll let you, I'll kind of tell you what my theory is. And why all this is happening. Stay tuned for part 2.